Guys, how's it going? Aiden the Aviator here. So we are at Toronto Pearson Airport today. We're going to be doing some plane spotting later, but today we're going to be popping on by one of my favorite stores to go to here, Threshold Aviation. They just finished doing a huge renovation and their grand reopening is today. So we're going to pop on by and see what's up. So as you can see behind me, they got all kinds of stuff and they're all ready to go, so that'll be fun, exciting. They got all kinds of stuff we can do. We can try landing on their flight sim, buy a model or something. So yeah, let's go check it out, guys. So we're going to be going up over here, checking out the flight sim they got all set up here, and it looks really cool. We're going to check that out.